What's up, Get Right Gang? King Get Right back again with another video. You know how we do it. Today we about to go ahead and put that Langdon tactical slide, that elite slide, on that 92 FS Beretta. But you know what? Let's get to it. Everything is unloaded, ready to go. Yes, indeed. We're going to remove the spring in the barrel. Something we all been waiting for. Already got the slide lubricated. So I'm gonna go ahead and lubricate the lower, hit all the high friction areas where the slide be moving around. You know, metal parts tend to heat up under friction. You don't want to cause no damage to your pistol or your slide. I already cleaned it, but go ahead and just lubricate a little bit more. I use different kind of chemicals for lubrication. In this application, I'm using this Pro Shop product, One Step CLP. Some good stuff. It says it's already clean. Just doing this for the video. I cleaned it up on the last video. Got that slide, what we all been waiting for. Sorry it took me so long to do this. You know how it be. Keep your thumb on that spring for retention. Bad boys like to shoot out. There we go, Get Right Gang. That first Inox 92 FS Beretta with the Langdon tactical upper slide. Yes, yes. You know it. With that Hollison 507 HE. HE 507C, that green reticle red dot. See that? Man, it's with the shaker weight. Gotta have that shaker weight. A little bit of oil in there. Ooh, nice. That trigger pull is insane. That's nice, y'all. That's real nice. Let me know what y'all think of that. That's real nice. Beretta 92 Inox FS with the Langdon tactical upper slide with the Hollison HE 507. What you think about that? This is nasty. The trigger pull on there, this is nasty. Look at that. Click, click, pop, pop, bang, bang. Oh man, you gotta buy yourself one of these. If you don't have one of these, you don't know what you're missing. Berettas, they go. With the Langdon tactical in a red dot. Look, like butter. Look at that. Like butter. Gotta love it. Gotta have one of these in your collection. If you ain't got one of these in your correct collection, I don't know what you're waiting on. But you better hurry up and buy. You better hurry up and go buy. Hurry up and buy. Signing out, King Get Right. Like always, stay safe and peace out.